I'm going to do a review of this wheel lock that I got on Amazon. You put it on your wheel for like theft deterrent. So if you have a trailer or an RV or an ATV or even a car, you can put it on there. So let me show you how it works. So it pulls apart like this. You're going to put one inside of the tire and the other one on the outside, and then join them together. So you're going to have to adjust it to get it just right. And then when you get it where you want it, you push that lock in and that locks it. Two separate pieces and they both go around the tire, and you slide this piece depending on how big your tire is. And then once you got it to the right size, you push the lock here in and that locks it. And it's a tubular lock. So here's what the key looks like. And it comes with a little cover to protect against dust and water getting into the lock, which is nice. It has a super bright color, I guess, to ward off thieves or something. And then unlocking it is pretty simple. You just put the key in and it comes apart. It has a rubberized coating on it, so I guess that's to protect your wheels if you have like fancy wheels that you don't want to get scratched up. The max width tire that this would fit looks to be about 10.5 inches or about 26 centimeters. Make sure you find out how big your tire is before you get this. This is not going to defeat a professional thief. Obviously there's ways around this. You know, you can cut it with an angle grinder, you could drill the lock, you could pick the lock. You know, nothing is foolproof. My thought is this is going to slow somebody down. I guess I'm of the line of thinking that thieves are opportunists. They're looking for the easy score, and so when they see something like this, it's like, well, is it really worth the time to cut this off or whatever? For 26 bucks, I think it's worth it. If you have a trailer, if you go camping, if you have an RV, or you go hunting, you have an ATV, I'm just putting this on there. You can also put it on your car for an extra layer of security. It's pretty easy to put on. It takes like 20 seconds or so to put this on and take it off. It's not very difficult. So if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, leave a comment if you have some feedback, and consider subscribing if you enjoy this kind of content. And as always, thank you for watching.